Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, in today's video I'm gonna share with you this magic face mask for face with simple ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. Well, let's get started. All we need is 2 teaspoons of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Let's firstly talk a little bit of the benefits of all these ingredients. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, which is particularly beneficial for oily or acne-prone skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and calm irritated skin. Oatmeal contains antioxidants that can protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps to lock in moisture and hydrate the skin. It has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, which can be beneficial for acne-prone skin by reducing bacteria and inflammation. Honey also contains antioxidants that can help protect the skin from environmental damage. Almond oil is rich in vitamins A and E, as well as fatty acids, making it deeply nourishing and moisturizing for the skin. It can help soothe and soften the skin, improving its texture and appearance. Almond oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm redness and irritation. In a small bowl, combine the oatmeal, honey, and almond oil. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a small amount of warm water to adjust the consistency. Mix well until you get this texture. Start with a clean face. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work on your skin. Gently rinse off the mask with warm water, massaging in circular motions to exfoliate the skin. Once the mask is completely removed, splash your face with cool water to help close the pores. Finish by applying your regular moisturizer to lock in hydration. This face mask combines the exfoliating and soothing properties of oatmeal, the antibacterial and moisturizing properties of honey, and the nourishing and moisturizing effects of almond oil. It can help remove dead skin cells, hydrate the skin, and leave it feeling soft and smooth. I hope that you will like this video. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.